Hey there, plant enthusiasts. If you're looking to take your garden from drab to fab, stick around because today we're diving into the magical world of mushroom compost. Yep, that's right, waste turned wonder for your garden soil. Have you ever wondered what happens to all those leftover mushroom bits from farms? Well, they're not just tossed away. They're transformed into a powerhouse compost that can revolutionize the way you garden. Trust me, your plants are going to thank you for this. First things first, let's talk about what mushroom compost actually is. It's the rich, dark, crumbly stuff that's left over after mushrooms have been harvested. Think of it as the ultimate superfood for your soil. Packed with nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, it's basically a multivitamin for your garden beds. Now, you might be thinking, why should I use mushroom compost over regular compost? Great question. Mushroom compost is especially known for its ability to improve soil texture, retain moisture, and enhance drainage. So, whether you're battling with dry, sandy soil or heavy, compacted clay, mushroom compost is your new best friend. But wait, it gets even better. Mushroom compost is super eco-friendly. By using it, you're not just boosting your garden's health, you're also recycling organic waste and reducing landfill impact. It's a win-win for you and Mother Earth. Okay, so how do you use this gardening gold? It's simple. You can mix it into your garden beds or even use it as a top dressing for existing plants. Just spread a layer about 1 to 3 inches thick and watch the magic happen. Your plants will be healthier, your flowers will bloom brighter, and your veggies will grow bigger and tastier. And for all you folks who love a good DIY project, you can even make your own mushroom compost at home. It takes a little time and patience, but the results are totally worth it. All you need are some mushroom spores, straw, and a compost bin. There are plenty of tutorials online to get you started. Now, a quick tip, while mushroom compost is fantastic for many plants, it's a bit alkaline. So, if you're growing acid-loving plants like blueberries or azaleas, you might want to use it sparingly or opt for something else. So, are you ready to turn your garden into a lush, thriving paradise? Give mushroom compost a try and see the transformation for yourself. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this is a game changer. Thanks for sticking with me today, and happy gardening. Be sure to share your garden success stories in the comments below. I can't wait to see your results.